Hello everyone, my name is Toshiyuki Shimizu. I'm in charge of system development for Fujitsu supercomputers. I'm here to talk about the Fujitsu HPC activities focusing on the supercomputer Fugaku and its derivatives, Prime HPC FX1000 and FX700. As you know, Fujitsu has been providing supercomputer for years. For high-end area, we develop original scalable CPUs and systems, Fugaku and Prime HPC FX1000. We introduced FX700 to share the same architecture with Fugaku, aiming easier deployment. We also provide x86 clusters to satisfy various requirements of customers. In parallel, we have been providing Fujitsu original system software to utilize our original hardware and to provide single system image operation for both systems, Fujitsu originals and x86 clusters. Both of these systems and system software are designed and implemented to achieve high application performance, high availability, and high reliability. This is system software stack written on Fujitsu and developing for Fugaku. The software shown in green letters are developed by Riken and in white letters are developed by Fujitsu. Software includes management software, file system, programming environment, and lightweight kernel. Riken developed system software are open source software so that you can utilize them for any platforms, including our Prime HPC family. Fujitsu compilers and libraries are optimized for the A64FX microarchitecture, and they maximize SDE and HBM2 performance. Fujitsu also works in conjunction with many partners. As an example, Prime HPC FX700 is intended to be used in open environment. It supports OpenHPC, Bright Cluster Manager, and OSS-based compilers and tools. In summary, Fugaku is designed and runs many applications at the highest level of performance. Our ARM Linux supercomputer, using Red Hat Enterprise Linux, will accelerate our customers' business and resolve social issues in many fields with support of ARM HPC ecosystem and expanded application portfolio. Fugaku hardware delivery has been completed. Now we are setting up the software. General use of Fugaku is scheduled to be started in fiscal year of 2021. Riken is already providing one-eighth of computation resources of Fugaku for COVID-19 related research, 1 year ahead of the schedule. I hope that this research will be resulted to ease the current difficult situations. Fujitsu continue to provide solutions utilizing our technologies for customers' digital transformation. Let's move on to the questions. The first question is, what is the company doing for its employees, the HPC community, and the world in the COVID-19 pandemic? The answer is, at Fujitsu, all employees are suggested to work at home as much as possible. Fujitsu rapidly enhanced the capacity of remote work infrastructure and changed the guideline of remote work to fit these circumstances. For example, frequency, duration, and schedule of work. I believe that these changes and adoptions also led the change of our customers' work style and business, and reduced risk much under these difficult circumstances. In addition, as I mentioned, we have deployed Fugaku for COVID-19 related research. The second question is, which elements of the recent developed systems software are going to be open source and deployable by the general public? The answer is, I believe that all of recent developed systems software is open source even now, and many of them can be used on many platforms, including x86 clusters. Riken is working to make their software available globally. Riken and Fujitsu are working together to increase the available number of OSS packages, including Riken's software on AH16.4. Our working achievements can be used by anyone via SPAC, the package management tool. The third question is, how long until we see ARM plus GPU configurations in the Prime HPC line? The answer is, I believe that the A16-4FX, our current ARM CPU, is capable to run many applications faster than GPU-equipped systems, because A16-4FX supports high memory bandwidth and 512-bit wide ARM SVE compliant SIMD. On the other hand, I understand that GPU is very useful for many applications for certain size of scalability, though. Fujitsu is considering to provide the connectivity with GPU for the next generation ARM processor. The final question is, what is Fujitsu doing to expand the wide-range support of software environment on ARM? The answer is, Fujitsu is developing our own compilers supporting SVE. A16-4FX is fully compliant with ARM ISA, and many other compilers, including ARMs, can be used on our platforms, Prime HPC and Fugaku. And our software environment is built on the Red Hat Enterprise Linux, so binary compatibility between other platforms are supported. I believe that these conditions encourage software developers to develop and run their software on our platform. And as I mentioned, Reiken and Fujitsu's efforts on OSS can be used via SPAC. The package management tool makes user to build the software environment easily. Furthermore, we are discussing with ISVs to support their applications available on our platforms. Our effort is not limited to our original platform, but also on other platforms and ISAs. This is all for my presentation. Fujitsu is shaping tomorrow with you on ISC 2020 Digital. Thank you for listening.